name's Zach, welcome to my channel. Today I'm in Scotland and I'm attempting to climb up Ben Ime. Don't quote me on the pronunciation of that because I'm guarantee you I got that wrong. And yeah, so come join me. I'm going to try and climb this big mountain and let's see how it goes. Alright, I'm at the start of the trail. Let's see how far I get. It's a very big mountain and I've not climbed one like this before, so I'm a bit nervous. Here's the start of the trail. Alright, so turns out I'm not going to make it anywhere near Ben Ime. It's just way too far. I'm a little bit sick and I'm just not fit enough. I mean, this is how far I've got up right now. And this is what I've got to go up. And that's not even Ben Ime. So I'm just I might get up to the top of that. I might just stop here. Anyway, we'll see. car. It's almost laughable how not even close I got to the top of Ben Ime. I didn't even get to the top of the one mountain before it, so there was no way I was going to get to it. So it means I'm probably going to have to look at my strategy with climbing these mountains, because they seem to be far too big for someone too inexperienced to climb. But we'll see.